Alright, this episode is for all my little lentil Catholic peeps out there. Gonna be eating a lot of fish over the next few Fridays, so we're gonna be making some pesto crusted Alaskan cod. You can use any kind of whitefish, walleye, whatever you want. So hopefully, if you like it, you can try this out.
Okay, so to start, I got the baked potatoes going in the toaster oven here. I just coated them with a little bit of avocado oil and then added in a little bit of sea salt around it. So that's cooking. And then I'm getting started on the little topping for the fish. So we are going to do cod. So I threw in here some Parmesan cheese, just this Parmesan, and then some panko breadcrumbs, and then a little bit of garlic salt. So I'm just going to blend all that up, and then we'll throw that on top of the fish. And then I'm going to make a pesto to go on top of that. And then I think we're doing asparagus as well.
So.
Okay, so right now I'm getting the pesto sauce put together. So I threw in some basil, and we actually just had some basil from our garden still frozen. So I just used that, but fresh would probably be better. And then I threw in some of that Parmesan cheese, cashews. So it normally calls for pine nuts, but if you don't have pine nuts, you can use cashew or walnuts. So I threw in some cashew, and then a couple cloves of garlic, some olive oil, and salt and pepper. And I think that's it. So we'll go ahead and blend this up here. And here's Harper, helping us cook. Are you helping us cook? Yeah.
Alright, here's the wild caught Alaskan cod that we are going to be cooking. Try to use a wild caught fish if you can instead of farm raised, much healthier. And just put a little garlic, salt, and pepper on it. And we'll get that fried up here, kind of crisp up both sides. Also got some asparagus going in the cast iron here, getting that going. So we will put the fish, get it seared up here. You can use kind of any whitefish for this recipe. You got a walleye guy, it'd be perfect for this recipe. Or anybody out there ice fishing, whatever you catch, any kind of whitefish would be good to go. So we'll get this seared up on both sides, we'll get the asparagus cooking, and then we're going to finish it up in the oven. Alright, so I got the fish fried up, and then I'm just going to add some of the pesto and then the little breadcrumb mix that the wife mixed up for me there. And then the asparagus is done cooking, so we'll add that on top of the fish, pop it in the oven, broil a little bit, and call it good. Alright, got the pesto and the breadcrumbs on top of the fish. We're going to put it in the oven on broil. Just sear the top, melt everything, and we'll call it good. Alright, here's the finished product. We took the fish out after it was nice and crisped up on top. We got the salted baked potato and some asparagus. And that looks good to go. A little recipe for all the fishermen out there. I'm still looking for a walleye, guys, so if you have some walleye you want to get rid of, let me know.